Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope that all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most unique and trendy ideas of crochet vest patterns, and I have included very attractive and beautiful patterns which are very easy to make as well, and these are all beginner friendly patterns. You can see very attractive and beautiful lace patterns are included in this video, and you can see these designs are all mostly made with double crochet stitch. So double crochet stitch is used as major stitch in these patterns, and you will also see some designs having a treble crochet or a triple crochet stitch as major stitch used in them as well. So all of these designing ideas are having different crochet patterns. You will see different border edge designs as well in these designs of very attractive and beautiful vests, and these are also called cardigan jackets. You can see most of these designs are made in just one single color, but you will also see contrasting colors designing ideas. You can see this beautiful textured pattern with a 3D flower work on it, and you can see this beautiful patchwork pattern as well, which is made with square and pentagon patterns. And you can see this beautiful lace pattern as well, having very attractive and beautiful chain picot border on it. And you can see this beautiful color scheme. Multicolor yarn is used in these designs, and you can see this shrug style jacket as well, having a multicolor yarn. This one also is made with multicolor yarn, so you will also see most of the designs with multicolor yarn, and you will see contrasting colors of designing ideas in this video as well. So almost all types of color schemes are available in this video. You can just take a screenshot of the design which you like the most and you want to make, and you can make it by yourself at home. If you are a lover of multicolor yarn, you can use multicolor. If you are a lover of contrasting colors, you can find ideas from this video as well. And if you are a lover of single color, you will also see many color schemes available in this video. So just watch it till the end to get all ideas, and all the patterns are unique and different from each other. You will see simple 1 row, 2 row or 3 row repeat patterns in this video, and you will see patchwork patterns in this video as well, like this one, having very attractive and beautiful color scheme for granny square pattern, and for joining chain 3 pattern is used. So you can also join granny square patches with the help of sewing needle, or you can use a slip stitch method or a single crochet stitch method as well. It is up to you. The stitch can be made and joined with different techniques, so you can learn from tutorial videos as well, which are available on my channel. So don't forget to subscribe to get more videos.